Hello guys, I'm making this video to show you how to make a lift on this trailer or whatever trailer you have, and this type of the situation, make it a lift so you get more clearance between the tire and the upper shield, the water splash fender. If you have a trailer that is too low, you want to make it a little higher, this is a way for you to do it. In this case, this trailer does not have the leaf springs, otherwise you would have to get some spacers and bump it up and make some welding and some other situation. In this case, let me remove the tire and show you how you can lift it out an inch or maybe a 2-inch for simple removing some bolts and removing them and putting them back on. If your trailer is like this with lift springs, you're gonna have to get some spacers in between the tire and the lift spring and the axle, or maybe flipping this upside down to make it higher, because this video is not for you. The other option is the one I'm gonna show you right now. This is the other options. Once you remove the tire, you're gonna have this type of spring or suspension system for the trailer with a bolt-on type of adapters that you can remove them, move them up or down however you want to lift it or lower it. In this case, I want to lift it a little more because it has a very little clearance. This way, I just unbolted this bolt on this side, make it loose and move it to the upper hole, and then there's a lower hole like around here. That's about an inch I'm gonna get on lifting from this axle, getting lowered, and the trailer is gonna go up. There's another bolt on the back right there. It's under here. Let me get to it. You're gonna have to undo it as well. That one right there, undo it and make it go further up and push the axle down so you can gain more room clearance for your tire, and you can upgrade your tires or rims or whatever you want. This is a way you can make a suspension go higher. In this trailer, the axle is gonna go lower and the trailer is gonna push down the axle low, and there's gonna be more clearance on the tire between the tire and the fender flare. Right guys, so this is the idea how you can lift your trailer. If you have this type of suspension, if you have the lift springs, you have to get an adapter or get it flip it upside down so you have more clearance. Alright guys, drop a like. Thank you.